I'm going to show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about it. So, that's the middle piece. That's, as you see this little sticker right there, that's the middle piece. And this is the corner piece. If it's a speed cube, you can turn it. If it's a Rubik's Cube, you have to be careful of turning it. And you cannot turn these. These are the edge pieces. Ugh. Lawnmower. So let's get solving. Circle. No, that doesn't work. Circle. Around a circle. And that sounds weird. Now put the Rubik's Cube in it. Doesn't have to be perfect. And now, you guys can jumble it up, but I don't want to jumble up mine because I have a jumbled up one already. So here we go. So here, this is the jumbled up one, and it is different from the stickered speed cube. So everyone knows the goddess move, I think. Well, everyone that I know. Like up, turn, down, turn, you might call it. Keep repeating those steps. And eventually this will become this. It's just up, turn, down, turn. I don't want to do it. Okay, wait. Okay, so I jumbled up that one pretty bad. You guys saw it live. So, I don't want to take it apart because I'm bad at putting it back together. So I'm just going to try to figure out how to solve this stupid thing. This is officially not solved. Well, I don't care. So, this video is 100% fail.